Okay, once again, good afternoon, all students. Welcome to the session about NPTEL online courses and its certification. Okay, so it is a project of NPTEL under NME ICT, that is what National Mission on Education ICT Tools, and it is what in association with MHRD, that is Ministry of Human Resources and Development Department, in association with NASSCOM, powered by Google. Okay, so this is the project of NPTEL, and it is run by government. First of all, you should be knowing the abbreviation of NPTEL. What is the full form of NPTEL? Matlab NPTEL is nothing but National Program on Technological Enhanced Learning. Means you will be gaining the knowledge through the NPTEL videos. Okay, so as I told you, it is National Program for Technological Enhanced Learning. So it is one of the largest online repositories of engineering course material and one of the successful multi-international institutional projects in the country. So ये क्या है आपका एक website है, और it is one word port where all the videos are created and it is e-content is put in it. So many what engineering subjects are there. It might be civil, it might be mechanical, it might be computer, it might be what any engineering branches, not only engineering, it might be human resources, management. So many subjects they are offering. So almost NPTEL what has 42,000 video hours, and it has text transcripts about 40,000 plus video hours. Means whatever the videos, 42 videos hours, it almost 40 hours ka transcript ready hai. Means they have converted into word format. Whatever the word they are talking right now, I am speaking with you, it can be in transcript. Means whatever I am speaking, it will be ready in a word format. And almost it is having subtitles for 39,000 video hours. So it is having what subtitles, and it is having more than 1,500 courses. As I told you, it is having many engineering branches subjects. So it is offering 1,500 plus courses, and it is having 460 million plus NPTEL website views, 330 million plus YouTube views, and 1.3 million plus YouTube subscriptions. This is about what brief, what overview about NPTEL course content, and what are the how many number of people have seen, or how many courses are being offered, or how many subscriptions are there, and how many views are there. Okay, so important, why NPTEL is required. First of all, it is free of cost. To register, it is free. And second thing, you can see whenever you want. Whenever you have time, you can see the videos. But the important thing is, it will start what at a particular date, or it will start on a particular time and it will end on a particular time. That is the main objective or main what scope of NPTEL. आपका regular classes कैसा होता है? It will start on June 15th, right? And it will end on what? October. बाद में बीच में आपको यूनिट टेस्ट रहेगा, इनसेम रहेगा, ऑनलाइन रहेगा. बट आपका ओपन और NPTEL ऑनलाइन कोर्सेस में कैसा रहता है? It will be starting on same. It might be June or July, but it will end at particular what time? That might be 4 weeks, 8 weeks, or 12 weeks. लेकिन differences is in regular classes you need to be present physically, but in online classes you can see the videos whenever you are able to see it, but within that time period. Okay, this is the difference between open online courses. As I told you, we will go through the points exactly like a course you teach on campus. So course starts on a certain date. Course duration means every week they will be uploading. अभी आपको मैं बताया जून 15 से आपका NPTEL course चालू होगा. Means every week they will be uploading the videos. after uploading every videos or every week videos tutorials, they will put the discussions on it, and it will be having end date, right? It might be 4 weeks. If जून में चालू हुआ तो वो जुलाई में, जून पूरा महीना रहेगा, जुलाई में 8 weeks का रहेगा, मतलब 2 months it will run. If it is 12 weeks, it will run in a month of 3 months. So it will be having videos as well as online assignments every week. You will be having assignments to be given. So this is what campus versus open online course difference. So आपका online में क्या है? आप, as I told you, you will come for admission process. You will fill up the form and you will join the course, and you need to pay the fees and you need to sit, right? And आपका last में आपका 4 years होने के बाद आपको credit और आपका certificate मिलेगा, degree certificate. इधर online courses में क्या है? आपको anyone from any branch can enroll. Course at distance and self-motivated, means anyone can do this course sitting at any place. It might be in any district, state or country, and it is recognition are still in evolving, means credit transfer placement. What is credit transfer? That is important for you guys. Why today? That is the reason why I am taking this session. Credit transfer कैसा होता है? आपका एक subject है, right? Right now you are having design of machine elements 1 in your 3rd year 5th semester और 3rd year 1st semester. तो आपका क्या है? आपका DME 1 है, and you are having NPTEL videos in DME subject. आपको क्या कर सकते हैं? Even if you see the NPTEL videos of DME 1, and after watching all the videos and giving all the assignments every week, and after end of the course you will be having proctored exam. Proctored exam रहेगा. Proctored exam में आपको क्या करना है? You will be having MCQs exam based on proctored, means the person who will be monitoring you, and you need to give the exam, and आपको passing certificate मिला तो आपको SPPU का exam नहीं दे सकते हैं for DME 1. So it should be of same subject, and the contents of the syllabus, whatever it is in NPTEL, it should be matching with the SPPU syllabus. Then only the credit transfer happens. अभी आपका 5 subjects है CE में, right? You might be having DME 1, you might be turbo machine, you might be having MQC. So these are few subjects. So आपका subject का same NPTEL में भी है, right? And आपका course content, whatever the syllabus it is there in your SPPU, if it is matches with the same with the NPTEL, then आपका credit transfer होगा. Means if you give the NPTEL exam, no need to give the exam in your SPPU, और regular paper आपको नहीं दिया तो भी चलेगा. So that is the meaning of credit transfer. So this is onlinecourses.nptel.ac.in. This is the website, right? So here they have given if you see the below end of the slide, you can see in blue end, start and exam date, right? Start of course, end of course, right? Later you have 4 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks and 4 weeks, 8 weeks. So these are the time zone. आपको मैं बताया आपको पहले एक टाइम पे कोर्स चालू होगा and it will end. If you see 4 weeks, it will start at 13th August 2018 and it will end at 7th September 2018. 8 week का क्या है? 6th August चालू होगा, 28 September end होगा. आपका 12 weeks का 30th July start होगा, 19th October 18 end होगा. So that is the start and end of the courses, and this is the website where you need to visit it. And who are offering these courses? That is also one of the important thing I forgot to mention. It is what all top IITs and IISc, they are offering these NPTEL courses, and it is recognized by Government of India. As I told you, NPTEL, it is the tagline or caption, it is knowledge is free. If you go for any other online courses, they will charge you dollars, in dollars, or it might be in rupees, 1,000 rupees, several thousands, not 1,000 or 2,000, it will be in thousands, 10,000 हो सकता है. आपको German सीखना है, it might be 15 to 20,000 if you go anywhere, right? Any institution or any different classes. But over here, to register and to see the videos, it is absolutely free, just to get the certification, you need to pay 1,100 or 1,000 rupees for the certification. So that is the benefit of NPTEL. So आपको 1,000 rupees में आपको एक certificate मिलेगा from IIT and IISc, and it is what recognized by Government of India. So if you see the next slide, courses listing on the portal, आपको search कर सकते हैं. We will go with hands-on later after this PPT. You can see the category. You can select the category. Aerospace का आपको subjects ये करना है, videos देखना है, नहीं तो agricultural engineering, architecture and planning, right? Chemical engineering, civil engineering, computer science. So these are just few. ऐसे आपको humanities है, mechanical है, chemical है. There are n number of courses which are offered in NPTEL. So this is how the course page looks like. Course introduction page, how it looks. It will say the course name, right? It is Advanced Chemical Thermodynamics and Kinetics, right? It will give you in the right side, there are tabs, that is announcement, course, ask a question, mentor, FAQ, explore courses. These are what the tabs, different tabs. We will discuss these things little later. Okay. So as I told you, this is the course introduction page. It will say the about the course, what the course is about. So it is brief introduction to the course and important for certification and credit transfer. So as I mentioned, you should give all the weekly assignments. Then after weekly assignments, if you satisfy the what criteria, you need to give the proctored exam that will be conducted after your course completion. Then it is intended audience. Who can see these videos? Whether it is for first year students, BE, or it is what for third year students or final year students, or it is for ME students or PhD researchers or industry person. So that is also mentioned. It is mentioned in intended audience. And next is core or elective. It might be core subject or it might be elective. Okay. Next it is UG or PG. UG means undergraduate, PG means postgraduate. As you all are in undergraduate course. Prerequisites. अभी DME के लिए prerequisites क्या रहेगा? Engineering mechanics हो सकता है, basics physics हो सकता है, mathematics हो सकता है, integration and differentiation हो सकता है, right? So these are prerequisites. एक course advanced chemical thermodynamics and kinetics करने के लिए आपको any introductory course on thermodynamics is preferred, but not absolutely necessary. Means it is not compulsion. If you are having the introductory course, that is well and good. And industrial support is also provided. In this course, it is nil. If it is what some course where industry support or industry person will give you the demo of the subject. This is components of MOOC. MOOC is nothing but massive online open courses, right? It is massive open online courses. That is nothing but whatever we are talking about the NPTEL. What it will be there? It will be having course content, right? As I told you, there will be 4 weeks video or 8 weeks, 12 weeks video lectures. They will be having assignments. Assignments might be objective, subjective programming. Then, as I told you, there will be text transcripts, lab demos will be given, live interaction session will be there by faculty. Whoever is teaching, there will be live interactive sessions by faculty and discussion forums will be provided. So next, it is course lesson page, that is videos and text material. So earlier we saw the introductory page. This is nothing but course lesson page, where particularly there is unit number 6, week 4. Means what? It is unit 6 or it is of unit 6 and it is running on week number 4. If you see over here, week 4 में आपको इतना videos they have added. Means how many videos they have added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 videos they have added in what? Week 4. And you can ask a question if you are having any doubts in the video or any ideas or any queries, you can ask a question which is below the video. And as I told you, after seeing the videos, every week आपको assignment देना पड़ेगा. So assignment 0, this is assignment 0 for practice. After that, for 12 weeks, each week will carry what assignments, week 1, week 2, week 3. So assignment 1, 2, 3 to assignment 12. And you can see assignment 0 के नीचे due date for this assignment is there, means before 30th 7 2018 it was what PPT of 2018, so it is mentioned before 37 2018 you need to give the assignment 0. So आपका week 1 it might be what some other date before due date you need to submit it. So this is assignment on based on MCQs. If you go to next slide, it is assignment based on programming. It might be C, C++, Java, Verilog. So there are, it will support the language programs also. Next is subjective assignment. It might be your e-transfer or FM, fluid mechanics, or it might be DME. It might be subjective assignment also. Not only MCQs, not only programs, also they will what provide the subjective assignments depending on the course which you opt. So as we were talking about the discussion forum, right? So you can ask the questions over here, or you can chat with the faculty and you can get your doubts clarified. So this is progress tab to know assignment marks. Whatever the assignments you give every week, it will be monitored over here and you can see and you can verify with how much you are getting, right? Every week after submission, at the end of the week, they will be uploading the marks and you can see the marks over here. Sorry. And every week there will be live session, right? So each week you can have the live sessions where you can interact directly with the course coordinator or course instructor. So this is learners engagement. So what it says, आपको 3 to 4 hours you need to spend to see the videos. Okay. After watching all the videos, you need to test yourself. That is giving assignment. It will take approximately 2 hours per week. And next you will be having a question discussion forum 1 hour per week. And lastly, you will get notes, text, transcripts, references, live interaction 1 hour per week. तो इसमें क्या है एडवांटेज क्या है आपको क्लास लेक्चर में आपको इन केस इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू अटेंड फर्स्ट लेक्चर you will miss that lecture, you will be not able to attend once again, or you need to go to that subject teacher and get the doubts clarified. लेकिन इसमें क्या है आपका weekly videos you can see at any time at your convenient time sitting at your place. So that is the main benefit of the video lectures or online courses. So at last, features of final certification exam. So it is proctored, means someone will be monitored or someone will be monitoring as invigilator supervisor. आपका एग्जाम में रहता है ना, वैसा ही similarly proctored exam रहेगा and आपका कोर्स के लिए 1100 rupees रहेगा and certificate you will get from IITs and IISc. So we will discuss about scoring, certification and credits in much what detailed way later. But आपको इतना याद रखो 25% आपको असाइनमेंट से लेंगे and 75% आपका proctored exam में आपको measure करेंगे, right? So they will take weightage will be 25% from online assignments and 75% from proctored exam or main exam. And once again, types of certificates above 90%. So you will get elite certificate with gold. Elite certificate means 60% above, it is just called elite. If it is between 75 and 90, it is silver. Elite certificate with silver. And after what successful completion, that is greater than 40% and below 60, you will get successful completion certificate. And if you score less than 40, आपको certificate नहीं मिलेगा. So this is what types of certificates, similar to your what distinction, first class, second class, third class, similar to that. So what is next? It is 4 weeks courses, right? 4 weeks course में आपका best 3 लेंगे, right? Out of 4 means out of 4 assignments, they will take 3 best assignments. Example, आप 4 weeks का assignment दिया है, right? In first assignment you have scored 70, second assignment you have scored 60, third assignment you have scored 80, fourth assignment you have scored 90. So they will eliminate the least assignment scored week and they will calculate for best of 3. Similarly for 8-week course and 12-week course. So what is this? This is how the certificate will look like. So this is elite certificate and it says NPTEL online certification. And आपका नाम आएगा इधर, स्टूडेंट नेम में आपका नाम रहेगा एंड आपका सब्जेक्ट रहेगा। अभी DME मतलब डिजाइन ऑफ मशीन एलिमेंट्स 1 विद consolidated score means overall online assignment plus proctored score इधर आएगा, whatever the score that, and you will be having what the certificate. If the gold, the symbol is for gold certificate above 90. If it is elite above 60, ये gold symbol नहीं रहेगा. If it is 60 per above 75 to 90, there will be silver medal over here. One more important thing, it was started on March August 2014. This NPTEL started running from March August 2014. At that time only one course was there, right? As I told you earlier, 1500 plus courses are there. In 2014 only one course, it was started September and November 2014. Two courses were there. In July October it has increased to 269. And in 2020, this is the semester of July October, you are having 417 courses. So आपको पता कर सकते, you know what importance of NPTEL and how the famous it is becoming throughout India. These are the things how the courses will be. It might be new, repurposed, and rerun. New means the course which is what started first time, for the first time. Example, आपका Python का रहेगा, machine learning का रहेगा. It might be what started right now or before 1 year or 1.5 years. So that will be new courses that is instructed or the instructor is teaching for first time. That is new subject or new what courses offered. If it is rerun means आपका कैसे MQC है, metrology and quality control, production, right? It is started from almost 6 years back. So it will be what rerun courses. Every time they will be offering the same courses again and again. So that is rerun. So reasons for taking the mock or NPTEL, as I told you, for credit transfer via college. Next is exploring new domains of knowledge, means to understand the new domains which are what running currently, or you should cope up with the latest technology which is offered. Example, right now the booming thing is what artificial intelligence, right? Machine learning, Python programming, data science, right? So these are the what new domain or latest technology which has involved or evolved, sorry. Okay, so after that it is required for campus recruitment. So they have started for campus recruitment also. For GATE preparation, it is helpful for what my current job. If any industry person wants to enhance his knowledge, he can see the videos, or it might be for faculties also. And in few colleges, it is compulsory to do it, and in other reasons might be there, and your college or faculty encourage you to enroll. This is the last point. Actually, we are what informing you, or we are guiding you to enroll. We are encouraging you to enroll for these courses, as the situation, you know, we are not able to attend regular classes, right? So this is the best time to what get the benefits of the NPTEL. So FDP is not for you. As I told you, the difference between what the other courses which run at what institutes and NPTEL. As I told you, over there they will charge nearly about 10,000 to 20,000. Over here it is, to see any video, any course, you can enroll to n number of courses. You can enroll for machine learning, you can enroll for data science, you can enroll for metrology and quality control, production, any course you can enroll. Just you make sure that whatever the course you are interested, you just register and give the exam, and so that you will get the certificate. As I told you, for what institution you need to go regularly, you need to do the traveling, right? Here no need to travel, right? Sitting at one place you can see the videos, and you will require ample amount of time to get involved, right? If you want to do any training over here there is no requirement of applying for leave, and you can see at any time. Exposure to lectures, as I told you, you need to attend physically. Over here no need to attend physically. Evaluation, no examination, means at particular institute after learning German, they need not conduct the examination. They will give you directly the certificate, but over here they will be assigned, or they will be monitoring you for every week, and at the end of the semester they will be taking the exam, and only involves interactions only during the short term courses, but interaction is available with course instructor, teaching assistants, and other participants via online discussion forum during the entire duration of the course. Means during your 4 weeks or 8 weeks or 12 weeks, you can have the discussion over here. And frequency of the offered course, it is very rare, but in NPTEL, as I told you, you will be having rerun courses also, and you can enroll every semester, or whenever you are interested in that particular subject, you can gain the knowledge. Okay, so I will stop my presentation and we will go for any doubts or interaction session now. Hope everyone have understood the importance of NPTEL. Thank you.